Hey guys, I'm going to be giving you a dorm room tour of my dorm room. At Dominguez Hills, we have apartment style dorms. So in phase 1, where all the freshmen and international students live, you get 2-bedroom apartments, and that comes with 1 kitchen, 1 restroom, a living room, and a patio or balcony. In phase 2, everyone else, all the upperclassmen live, and they are 3-bedroom apartments, which means 6 students. Phase 1 are 2 bedrooms, so which means 4 students total. What it looks like walking into my dorm room, as you can see, Dominguez Hills provides you with a desk, a bed, as well as drawers. The beds are sometimes adjustable, so you can adjust them to be as high or as low as you want. I have mine pretty high so I can put storage bins underneath there, my laundry basket, and other random things. As you can see, I brought in my own mini fridge. This is something I definitely recommend to invest in because it's super important just to have easy access to your food, as well as have enough space to store all the food and don't let anything go to waste. For the closet side of the room, I put my drawers inside my closet just to utilize more floor space. I put up a mirror. I have all my storage on the walls as well as inside the drawers and drawer bins. You are also provided with a safe that you can use to store any valuables. I don't personally use it, but you are free to use it when you move in. This is what my desk looks like. You are provided with a chair as well. The desks are a 2-in-1. You can detach them right here, so you can mix and match or put them and rearrange them as you please. I really enjoy the amount of space Dominguez Hills apartments give you because a lot of people have to store everything in their room, but at Dominguez Hills you can store things in the kitchen, the bathroom, the living room, so you have tons of space for all the things you need. If you want to see a more in-depth dorm tour of my dorm, I'm gonna go ahead and link down my YouTube channel in the description, and go ahead and check it out if you want to see a very detailed dorm room tour. Hey guys, right now I am going to show you my apartment dorm tour. At Dominguez Hills, we have apartment style dorms instead of 1-bedroom rooms that you share with another person. We have your kitchen, your living room, your bathrooms, and your bedrooms. And it's a lot better than having just one room that you have to stuff everything into. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Just so you know, for freshmen you will be living in phase 1, and that consists of 2 bedrooms with 4 girls total, 1 restroom, a living room, and a kitchen. And then in phase 2, where all the upperclassmen live, you have 3 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms, 2 restrooms, and a bathroom. So that means 2 toilets and a shower room. And you have the same thing of a living room, a dining room, and a kitchen. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Right now, this is what the front door looks like, and I'm going to span out into the kitchen. So it's a full-on kitchen. The only thing that is provided is a fridge, and so you get to use the fridge for anything you like. You share it with the rest of the girls. You have all the storage cabinets. Also, you get a stove that you can use to cook, and then you can bring in your own pots and pans, your own microwave, blender, and stuff like that, and then sink, of course. And then we're going into the living room. I brought in my own personal TV. A TV is not provided, but cable and Wi-Fi is. Then we have a couple furniture pieces, some recycling, more furniture, and this is the dining area. So the dining area is just a dining table with a couple chairs, and then some of my roommates brought in their mini refrigerators. And so this is the kitchen and living room area. That's one of the back doors, and then this is the hallway that leads into the bathrooms and the. So yeah, that is what the apartments look like at CSUDH. It's so much better than just a 1-bedroom. You get so much space and so much storage. That's what I really love about dorming here. And so if you become a student here, you'll definitely get the freedom of some privacy and just the accessibility of having your own restroom and bathroom in the same house. So that's great. All right, guys, bye.